Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a hard-working farmer named San. He worked from sunrise to sunset, yet he often felt that his days were unproductive, no matter how much effort he put in. He always wished his life could be better. One day, feeling exhausted and unfulfilled, Shan decided to visit the wise sage of the village, Guru Pratap, and seek his advice. So bowed before Guru Prupap and asked Guruji, "I work hard every day, but I still feel like my life is not improving. How can I make every day better, Guru?" Prupap smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story that will change your perspective. Long ago, there was a farmer named Raghov who faced the same problem as you. He worked tirelessly but felt stuck in his routine. One day, an old traveler visited his farm and gave him 3 golden rules to follow. Start each day with gratitude. Do 1 act of kindness daily and learn something new. Every day curious, Rav decided to implement these rules every morning. He woke up and expressed gratitude for 3 things in his life: his land, his family, and the fresh air he breathed. This small habit filled his heart with positivity and gave him the motivation to start his day with joy. The second rule was to do 1 act of kindness daily. Rav began helping his neighbors feeding the birds and sharing his knowledge with fellow farmers. He soon realized that kindness not only made others happy, but also brought him immense satisfaction and a sense of purpose. The third rule was to learn something new every day. Raghov decided to spend a little time reading about better farming techniques, understanding weather patterns, and even learning new ways to market his crops slowly. His productivity improved, and his farm flourished like never before. Months passed, and Raghov saw a remarkable transformation in his life. He no longer felt stuck or dissatisfied. Instead, he woke up with excitement, eager to make the most of his day. His farm prospered, his relationships deepened, and his happiness grew. Hearing this story, San was deep in thought. Guru Pratap continued, "My son, if you wish to make every day better, start with small changes. Be grateful for what you have, be kind to those around you, and never stop learning. Success and happiness are not found in waiting for a big change, but in making small improvements every day." Inspired by these words, Shan returned to his farm and started practicing these 3 simple lessons. He woke up every morning with gratitude, helped others selflessly, and spent time learning new farming techniques. Slowly, he saw a transformation in his life. His farm flourished, his days felt more meaningful, and he no longer felt unproductive. Years later, San became one of the most respected farmers in the village. When people asked him the secret to his success, he simply smiled and said, "A better life is built with better days. Start small, be consistent, and every day will become a step towards greatness." The moral of the story: happiness and success come from small, meaningful changes. Every day, start with gratitude, spread kindness, and keep learning. That's how you make every day